Everyone's here.
So
just don't touch them on the back end, okay? Because they are livestock and they do kick. Yeah, they do kick.
Yeah.
They kick and they spit.
Yeah, they spit.
Yeah. Yeah, that one's here. Well, he's an exception. But yeah, most of the time they don't like their faces being touched. It's more their necks being stroked. Oh, that's Billy, and then the other one's coming. Oh, stop it, Joey. Oh, you just got coughed all over. That's a cough.
That's a cough.
That's a cough.
That's a cough.
Okay. It's not like we can break down and with people here it's
Hey, big boy.
Come. Okay. It's not like we can
you've got no pizza.
people here it's okay. It's not like we can break down and with
Oh, be careful.
help me.
Yeah, but what is
And like as you can see, they nibble. They do go very fast, but yeah. They would never intentionally hurt you. It's only if they're sort of, taking food out of your hand.
Yes.
Yeah. You been on our website? Right. Okay. All right. Bye. This one here, well, it's not valuable for us. We sell it at $5. $5 back an animal. Costs us $19 to shear them. Old cows and stuff. So people buy the meat and we'll fill them.
Yeah. No.
Raise that up now, honey.
Oh.
Yeah, that was his name. So Fifi and Oreo, they were already named.
She's a young female.
She's about 5. They're only new, but they're very timid. The previous owner hardly touched them. And that's the thing you find that with the alpacas, because we spend so much time with them, they're getting better, but there's still a long way to go. Yep. Oreo, whereas all our others at this stage, we were giving them cuddles and everything. They were really used to. Yeah, unless your hand was. Yeah. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! I don't go around and grab these, so I'm just going to get these to go.
All right, we'll stand back out there.
Well, no, they eat it, but it's watery. Ooh. Come on, this way.
Which way are you going?
Come on. Guys. Come on, this way. Keep going, keep going. We run the sheep through the bigger paddocks during the day.
Come on.
And then I bring them up of the night time.
That one likes you.
Head down this laneway here. Any, like if you came back on a weekend, you'd go in with big group. But when there's during the week,
Yeah.
they're so cute. That one. and I'll push Lychee back. Lychee. Okay. All right. So come on in. Sit back. Keep going, Cruzy. I might, while you're feeding this lot here, I'm going to feed this lot out here. So both the sheep and the alpacas are fed twice daily.
What food they're eating? Show me the food they're eating.
Thank you.
Chop grass.
All right. So these are all multiple ages, some different breeders. We've bred quite a few here. So Lani's bottle fed, that little one there, the little brown and white one. Yeah, so I've got to bring her up and she'll get a bottle this afternoon after I finish doing this. She chooks the bed. Yeah, she eats grass, eats all the chaff and everything like that, but yeah, we lost her mum a few months ago. So she would have been in her early 20s. And we were hoping she was going to at least make it till she was weaned, but it didn't happen. So she was preemie when she was born. Because her mum was so old, I had her on the bottle for the first week. Lychee is 1/16 La Paca, and then La Paca, so Llama and Paca. We stay here for about 25 past. We'll head up.
Oh, I don't want to be sat on. Oh, man.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Joey.
Oh. No, the fat.
Long you?
No, the fat or the
Say what?
the fat is it?
Oh yeah, yeah, and also too, their spit doesn't smell like crash on either. The mums are in poor condition, and I've taken everything from the cows. That's why I need half our house for business.
This is a good area here for good rainfall.
It is. YE, very, very similar, but it's a different soil. For a 2-week-old, she's lovely and quiet. She'll be big like a mum, this one. She's very tall.
Yeah, long legs.
Yes, yeah, very, very tall.
Like Bambi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Siri, not a
Suri, S-U-R-I.
Suri.
So see how his coat's different? And this is a Haikea.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, totally different coat.
So which one is like they use it for jump?
Wool, this one, Haikea.
High care.
Yep, the Suri wool we put in the bin.
Oh.
Oh,
Yep.
really?
Yep, our fleece is sold, so we get $5 back an animal, which is roughly around about a kilo. 4 of them. The 2 black ones, 2 white ones. But because the 2 white ones were very, very close, about 6 weeks later, the other one. These 2 here have been together for a long It's quite brown at the moment, so it'll go brown through winter where it gets burnt by frost. But the rest of the time, it's beautiful